Hello everybody, what we got here is this other glove box button. Now these the color can wear out over use. And normally how you would remove this is taking off these screws, and then there's some levers in here, and then you'd pull this out, but I think there might be glue also holding this in, because I tested this on a junk car. Now I have another one right here that I pulled from the junk car, and this belonged to the other side, but it should still look the same. Now if we put it, line it up on the top, we can see that the clips right here on here are there and there. Now normally you'd have to remove this, but what we're going to try to do is get a flathead screwdriver and push where they would be, and hopefully try to bend it out. Now I don't have 4 hands, so this might be a little bit tricky, but what we're going to try to do is get the clips. Get these clips. I'll try to get this side out. So I think I need to go in at this angle and then push in slightly, and then this side should pop out. So after a couple seconds of prying, we did get this side slightly coming out. You can see right here. What I'm hoping you're doing is pull enough that this side pops out, and this should just be a pop in type of scenario. Really hurting my fingers. This side does not seem wanting to come out, so we're going to keep trying a little bit. See how much of that is coming out. I'm going to try it. A little bit of leverage right here, and maybe we can do that and then pull this side out at the same time. Good news, guys, we managed to get it out. Here it is. What I had to do was, while pulling on this, I took my screwdriver and put it up underneath while wiggling it, and then I pull it out at the same time. We're going to clean this up, and hopefully the other one should just pop back in. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Just getting some water, nothing chemical or toxic. Just going to clean this out. Slightly scrub this. Don't want to damage this thermoplastic, as I know this is $70,000 car, but I don't think this is leather right here, but it is soft. So thermoplastic maybe? Anyway, so that should be good for that one. And I'm going to take this one and just scrub it up a little bit in my hands. Now that's so clean, we're going to grab our new-ish button. It is fading on the edges, and there appears to be 2 gold layers on the top, which is really hard to see, but hopefully the way these clips are slanted this way should we see a pop in. Hey, we got it. Now the reason it's like holding on to it, clicking like that, is because I removed this top piece, and you have to line it up just right for it to pop open. But hey, awesome, we got it. And I might take this thing apart. This is made in 05. Next video, I'm going to show you how to kind of like quickly replace this door seal. Awesome, we got it out.